Have you ever wondered whether it's truly possible to bring back an extinct species? Well, prepare to embark on a journey through time and nature as we are taking a closer look at 7 animals that were once extinct but have since made a remarkable comeback. From mammals to reptiles, and even fish, get ready to be amazed by these fascinating creatures. First on the list is the Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacinids, once held the title of Australia's iconic enigma. But by the 20th century, the species had been hunted to extinction. However, in recent years, there have been reports of sightings of the elusive Tasmanian tiger, leading many to believe that the species may not be extinct after all. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, scientists remain hopeful that the Tasmanian tiger may still exist in some remote corner of Tasmania. Enter the coelacanth, a living relic from the abyss of time, thought to have been extinct for millions of years until it was rediscovered in the 20th century off the coast of South Africa. With their unique blue scales and fleshy fins, coelacanth have become somewhat of a legend in the animal kingdom. Scientists have been fascinated with the coelacanth ever since its re-emergence, studying its biology and behavior in an effort to unlock the secrets of modern aquatic life. Behold the Lord Howe Island stick insect, also christened the tree lobster, for its rarity. The insect was thought to be extinct for over 80 years. But in the early 2000s, a small population was discovered on Ball's Pyramid, a remote volcanic rock off the coast of Australia. Since then, efforts have been made to breed and reintroduce the Lord Howe Island stick insect back into its native habitat on Lord Howe Island, where the species is now slowly making a remarkable comeback. The Arabian oryx is a species of antelope that was hunted to extinction in the wild by the early 1970s. But thanks to captive breeding programs, the species have made a remarkable comeback, with hundreds of Arabian oryx now living in protected areas in Saudi Arabia, Oman, and Israel. The Arabian oryx is a symbol of hope for many species that are currently facing the threat of extinction, as it proves that with the right conservation efforts and proper management, it is possible to bring a species back from the brink. Next is the black-footed ferret, a nocturnal predator that was once a common sight on the Great Plains of North America. However, by the 1980s, the species was near extinction, due to habitat loss and disease. With a captive breeding program and careful reintroduction efforts, the black-footed ferret has made a remarkable comeback, with thousands of them now living in the wild across North America. In the languid world of reptiles, comes the giant tortoise, a slow-moving reptile that has been around for millions of years. But due to human activity in hunting, many of them were pushed to the brink of extinction. However, thanks to successful conservation efforts, the giant tortoise species are now making a remarkable comeback. Species such as the Galapagos tortoise, Aldabra tortoise, and the Seychelles giant tortoise are now thriving and serve as a reminder that with the right conservation efforts, it is possible to bring a species back from the brink. In the glistening waters of the Yangtze River in China, comes the baiji, a species of freshwater dolphin otherwise known as the Chinese river dolphin. By the early 2000s, the baiji met its solemn fate, succumbing to pollution, habitat degradation, and relentless hunting. Despite numerous conservation efforts, the baiji remains extinct in the wild. However, efforts are being made to reintroduce a population back into the rivers of China. And that wraps up our journey into the resurgence of these amazing animals. It's a testament to the power of conservation and our ability to make a positive impact on our environment. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey.